How's that for some trailer music, hey? Couldn't quite afford a big, large, flashy orchestra, but hey, nothing that a piano can't do. Nice to meet you guys. My name is Ludwig Treviranus, and welcome to my trailer for Jam series. As a musician, I've always been fascinated and curious about improvisation, the art of just making up music on the spot. But I also have been looking for ways that I can make my music sound more colorful. So I've decided in Jam series to find artists from around the world and interview them about their music, about their culture. And the big question is, what makes their music sound so unique? What makes it so special? When you hear a piece of music and you know straight away, that sounds like Indian music, or that sounds like it's from the Middle East. So in these interviews, I cover a couple of things. Number one, we get an introduction to their music. Number two, what are some of the elements or ingredients that make up their music? And number three, what are some ways that we can best practice and learn how to play their style of music? So if you're curious to learn more and travel around the world with me, find out some more about these different countries and their music, come join me for Jam series. But in the meantime,
let's jam.
Let's jam.
Let's jam.
Let's jam.
You heard them. Let's jam.